Hi, welcome to the Brenton Lofts. My name's Jamie and I'm the manager at the Brenton, and I'm going to show you a couple of floor plans today. So right now we've just entered our J floor plan. This is a great wide open space, as you can see. So we're now in our living room and kitchen area. One of the greatest features here at the Brenton is that we have these wonderful windows, almost floor to ceiling, in each unit. And we're very close as we look outside to Aldi's. So grocery shopping is a breeze. Then we have your kitchen here. Every unit comes furnished with your dishwasher and electric range, refrigerator with ice maker, and you have your microwave. Lots of great cabinet space. And you have a nice closet in your kitchen living room area as well for your coats. We're going to swing back around, and on the other side of your living area is your bedroom. This is probably one of the largest bedrooms that we have. We have only one J floor plan, so it will go quite quickly. Great closet space with double shelves. So even though you only have the one closet in your bedroom, you have lots of good hanging space. Each unit has its own AC and furnace unit. Actually, you have two of them, one in your living room and one in the bedroom. And one of the best things, I think, is that you have your washer and dryer right in your unit, no matter which unit you have. And there's then a nice spacious bathroom with tub shower combo. So if you are interested in an apartment, this would be a great option for you. We hope to see you soon.